What's up, guys? So I just came back into the crib and got a little surprise. One, it was my birthday a couple of days ago. My aunt messed up the cupcakes. Thanks, auntie. You know what I'm saying? So now I gotta eat smeared and smushed ass cupcakes. But guys, and again, thank you for that. And thank you for anybody that tells me happy birthday or belated birthday. But this I've been waiting on for a few days now. It's gonna be the next part of my build on my car. So I guess I can go ahead and try and get this open for you guys. Let's see. Gotta do this the old bougie way. And up. So, sorry about the mess. I mean, I don't really be expecting to show everybody my apartment. Especially since I live by myself. A box inside of a box. How original. So it's probably gonna be copy steak. Two more boxes inside of two boxes. Wow. So, show y'all what this is real quick. Or what these are, sorry. High quality wheel spacers. These are 25 millimeters. I don't know if it'll tell us somewhere. You see, high grade aircraft aluminum Ford spacers. And other ones here. So I do have 4 for all 4 wheels, and they're all gonna be 25. And I think that's not what was supposed to be all, but it's okay. Guess the other thing is coming tomorrow. Oh, nope, there it is. Wow, why did you put that at the bottom of the box? Got me some new LED projector lights. Ooh. Again, the spacers is a little bit more advanced, so I won't be putting them on, especially since it is nighttime right now. But again, we'll be putting the LED shadow lights in. So if you guys just hang with me for just a moment, I will take you right to the car right about now. All right, guys, we out at the whip, and this is what the projector lights actually look like. But I'm gonna go ahead and just open her up. And you see, we already got a little bit of lighting right here, but this is where it's actually gonna go. It's right up under here. And they say you should probably use a flathead screwdriver for this process, but I don't have one here with me. All the tools are over at my pop's crib, so I'm gonna just use this butter knife, which should work just about the same. And you see, it does just kind of pop out. Just make sure you don't put too much force or anything on it, but it will just pop out for you here. Then you just grab it just like that. Make sure. Go ahead and pull the wire out, and then it is literally just as simple as taking this tab, sorry if you can't see it, taking this tab off and disconnecting the harness from the light. All right, so let me try and do this real quick here and see if you can get a nice little hook on it, and just pull it on out. Pause. Sorry guys, it's kind of hard to do this with one hand. And I did only get the 2-pack because I drive a coupe, so it actually makes sense just to go with the 2-pack. But again, it's as simple as just making sure that you plug the harness all the way in. So just like this right here. since the doors are open, the lights will be on. Just make sure that connection is all the way tight. You see, it's already a little blue. And then you should just be able to stuff it right back in like that. And voila. Nice little setup. And I do have the light flash on it, so it's not gonna look as good right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and then install the other side. Again, guys, as you can see, actually I want to kind of come from the other side over here. Just pop that out. Make sure that you don't mess up the leather or this material over here when you're doing all that. And again, just gonna pull on that tab right there, pull it out, and you see the light turns off. Take our projector light, back in, all the way. Make sure it's all the way, guys. And simple as that. And we have a new light set up. Pretty efficient, right? Start her up. Alright, so first look, everything together. Door lights. Man, that's a good look.